Hi everyone, just decided to record a quick tutorial for you how you can make some of the emails coming from different companies going straight to these folders. So to do that, let's create a new label. Let's say we want emails from Google go straight to the Google folder. Let's create the Google folder here and change a label to blue. And then what we can do, we can go here and copy this domain extension. We're gonna select it and copy, and then we're gonna go to inbox, paste it here, click enter. It will find all the emails that we get from that domain, and we're gonna select all, go here and select create a filter. From here, we're gonna select skip inbox, so the email will go straight to this label. Okay, and now we're gonna apply these settings to all the emails that we already got. And we're gonna click create a filter. In a few seconds, we're gonna see new label here, and all these emails will be moved to this folder. Okay, let's go here. Now you can see that the new label applied to these emails, and basically if we go to our inbox, we're not gonna see emails from Google anymore, and all new emails coming from google.com will be moved here. And let's say when we receive new email, we're gonna see this label here, so we know that we get some new emails in that folder. I hope this was helpful for you, and thanks so much for watching.